Hi everyone, now Tuesday, again I'm in Angeles City and I need to go to office Omega service, and they messaged to me already, my visa already ready, visa until March 23, and I will show to you my way. Now I am in the Cavite Street, this is Cavite Street, and I go into Walking Street, Red Street direction, and show to you, walk around and show to you what's new. Long time I not walk in this street. Houses for rent here, you can rent. Before I rent a house about 5,000 peso month, unfurnished, in Pampanga Street. It's near street. In the front you can see Central Mall. Before it's Central Gas Station, now Central Mall. You see this also for rent, studio type, new apartment. Even for car have. You see this is contact number, you can ask. And this is house for sale. This is for sale. But before it's apartment. Oh, big mall. Parking also. Good if have parking. J Pharmacy. I see this is left side, you can go direct to the Marquee Mall. And right side, straight, it's already Red Street, Walking Street. And we're going to the Red Street, Walking Street, to Omega. I put my camera to the front.
I know this area really well because I lived on Pampanga Street for 2 years. I walk this road almost every day, usually heading toward Walking Street and Hills Avenue. I also used to buy fruits and vegetables right here. Quick tip for you guys: always buy fresh food in the morning. In the evening, especially fish, it's already risky. Most vendors buy fish early in the morning at the local market and then bring it to these small shops. Some of it even comes from Subic. So my advice: fresh meat and fresh fish only in the morning. Anything after lunch, you're buying it at your own risk. Some places say they have refrigerators, but honestly most of the time it's just ice, not real cooling. We lived here with Shaira in rented apartments for about 2 years. Back then we didn't know yet that we would build a house in the Philippines. We were even thinking about living in another country, but Shaira really wanted to stay close to her parents and family, and after some time we decided to build our own home. You can see that whole journey in our previous videos. Just check the playlist on the channel, you'll find how we built the house, where it's located, and basically our whole story. Now, about visas. I recently extended my visa again. Before, I always went to Marquee Mall and did everything myself. But honestly, that takes a lot of time, at least 3 or 4 hours. The processing alone takes about 2 hours, and you just have to sit there and wait. Usually, I'd submit the documents, wait 2 or 3 hours, walk around Marquee Mall, grab some food, and then go home once the visa was ready. This time, I tried Amiga service and it's way more convenient. I just drop off my passport and pick it up later whenever it's convenient for me. No waiting around, no wasting half a day at the mall. And the funny part, it's actually cheaper, around 200 to 300 pesos less. Plus, I don't spend extra money on food while waiting at the mall. Some of my friends use Omega service too, but some are scared to leave their passport there, which is understandable. Losing a passport would be a nightmare. In my case, I have 2 passports, so even if something happened to one, I could still use the other while restoring it. Hopefully, of course, nothing like that happens and everything goes smoothly.
Miss John will give your PRA ID.
Bye. Until March 23, visa. I pay for 1 month 2,470 peso extension. You know, first month it's free. Next month you need also pay. It's already 3rd month in the Philippines. I am in the Philippines. But soon I will travel to another country. And I need only half months. But you need to pay for all months. This is Omega service. Security have. You can see it also outside. Philippine Airlines. It's more fun in the Philippines. Yes, it's more. Okay, I will go to the Fields Avenue and walk. Not expected today walk, because they call to me, message to me, need to take passport. This place open nighttime only. Before this is place with bars for tomboy. Karaoke also. I see. Comedy bar. Close. Only nighttime open. But maybe nighttime also not open.
Kalantod. I double more.
Because I see not so many people now. Tambayan Rest Bar. Tambayan. This is back side of Walking Street. Oh, take a look. This is. You can go to Amsterdam Hotel to this door. Amsterdam Hotel. Okay. Yeah, Amsterdam Hotel. Restaurant. Residence. And this one, I don't know what is this. KTV bar before. Skyverse KTV bar. Closed now. Not good if sun in the front. Cannot see good. Already Red Street, Walking Street. Red Street, Walking Street. You see, we have new nightclub in the front. No, I don't want to go inside. Not interesting. Many people say better Fields Avenue walk. Walking Street always the same. And if not safety, better not walk. Empty, don't have people. But now about 5 p.m.
You don't cry, you're not strong enough to care. Getting lost in my own pain, not in the game. One more dance to see me. I've been hoping we could try. Not a lie alone.
Oh, already don't have school. Before, in this place, school. But now I remove.
Ano ba sa lalaki? Ang magkakagusto ko. Hello po.
Right now I am walking toward the townhouses over there. I've been here before a few years ago. I actually came and asked about the price. Back then they told me the rent was 35,000 pesos for the whole townhouse. It was a big place, 4 bedrooms, lots of space inside, 2 balconies and parking for a car. I even remember there was a Toyota FJ Cruiser parked there at the time. That was about 3 years ago. They also told me that it was very hard for them to rent these units. At that time, a few Chinese families were living nearby. I even talked to one woman who lived there, and she confirmed it. Now I am curious to see what the situation is like today. Angeles City feels much quieter now. There are fewer people and not many tourists coming in. My feeling is that this place is probably still empty. Honestly, I don't think anyone would rent a big townhouse like this even for 20,000 pesos. These days people are looking for small rooms just for one person. Short-term stays, no long contracts. Most people come here for 1 or 2 months, not longer. If someone does want to stay long-term, they usually extend later. There are also way more options now. You can find a lot of places on Facebook Marketplace, everything from expensive houses to very small and cheap rooms, especially for locals. So yeah, let's go take a look and see what's happening there now.
I already filming here before. 35,000 townhouse. Same for rent. I remember this car. I already filming this apartment, townhouse, and car the same park, no one rent. No one.
Yeah, just like I thought. This townhouse and most of the ones here are basically empty. Places like this are really hard to rent. Big spaces, high rent, nobody wants that right now. Last time I was here, the furniture was already full of mold. You'd have to redo everything. New paint, full renovation, updates. Even the plumbing was rusty. And honestly, who's going to invest in all that? These days, people want small units. One person, short term, no long contracts. There are tons of new buildings now, and people prefer those. Clean, modern, simple. Old places like this, they usually just sit empty. That's the reality right now.
Ang sama sa 400. Magkakulusan sa Balibago mo siya.
I went there for 40 years.